Look at me. Get the dolly. Go get the dolly. He's like, I feel a spotlight on me. Come here, come see mama. Come see mama. Come on.
I went to Rite Aid last night. I went to pizza. And I asked the lady at Rite Aid. She said, no,
Come here. Come here, honey. Come here, baby.
That's what you're gonna ask?
Oh.
I asked her, like, do you have any fly swatters? She said, no, we do those seasonal. Well, what season is a fly season? Because I have flies now.
Apparently this season.
Apparently now is the season. And so why don't you have them?
Come here, you. Come here. Come here. You got.
There
There you go. There you go. Look at him, Thomas. Look at him. Look at him, Thomas. Look at.
B, you going?
Go, B. Go, B. Go, B. Go, B. Oh. He's going. He's going. You're so sweet. Hey, Ben. You trying to fly away? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Go, B. Go, B.